In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to separate multiple images from a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Reader. Whether you're working on a project that requires extracting images from a digital document, or you simply want to repurpose graphic elements, mastering this skill can save you a lot of time and effort. Let's dive right into the process. To start, open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat. This is your go-to through which all the following steps will take place. Once your document is open, look towards the top toolbar and click on Tools. Within this section, locate and select Create Custom Tool. This step will allow us to set up a streamlined process tailored specifically for extracting images, making the task both efficient and quick. After clicking on Tools, find the option for Save and Export. The concept here is to begin creating a set of custom preferences for your project. By doing this, we're moving towards a more personalized use of Acrobat, designed to make future tasks even simpler. Next, select Export All Images. Drag this option into your Tools custom set. What we're doing here is essentially setting up a dedicated shortcut in your Acrobat workspace for exporting all images from your document. It's like creating a button just for your image exporting needs. Now it's time to click on Save and name your custom tool. Choosing a clear and meaningful name will make it easier to find and use in future projects, so name it something like PDF Image Extractor or whatever resonates with your workflow. Once saved, you'll find this new custom tool conveniently located in the right panel of your interface. With your custom tool ready and visible on the panel, it's action time. Click on the Export All Images button you just set up. You'll then be prompted to name your image or images. Take a moment to assign a clear and descriptive name that aligns with the content or purpose of the images. Finally, click Save. To verify the process went smoothly, open the folder where you saved the files. Here you should see your images neatly ready for use. And there you have it, we've successfully extracted images from a PDF using Adobe Acrobat. This method is a real time saver and can be incredibly handy for anyone dealing with PDF files on a regular basis. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to extract images again. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and can now confidently manage image extractions from PDFs in your future projects. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tutorials.